Hello, today we're gonna make a squishy. We need some markers, a scissor, a pen, and we need a tape. And we need also a paper. We will start taking the paper and fold in half. And now we'll take our pen and you can draw the squishy that you want. Me, I will draw a donut. Is if you want to make a bigger or a smaller. Now making a bigger. And I will just draw another circle in the center. And now we will cut it. That's why I fold in half to have two pieces to cut it together. And now we'll put everything, the paper to the side, and the front part we will color it. You can color it with peach color or beige color. And then we color the donut. You can use the color of the sparklings, and you will put some lines on it, like the shape of the sparkles. And now we've done it. And we will need a bigger table if you have. And if you don't have, you can just use the small tape. And now we will take the other paper and we'll color with the same color that we colored. And now we'll tape it this one too. And now we'll take a small tape and we'll put it around of a donut. We'll need a scissor. We will not cut all the part, like to be at the shape of it. We will just get a little bit. Now we'll put it with the other. Now we'll repeat the same step. Now we have space to put the stuffings. And we will get these stuffings. You can use two kinds of stuffing. You can use the cotton balls, or you can use a paper. I'm using the paper because that's more good. She with this one. we will just put in it. Now we will tape it. And here we go, we made a squishy. You can, if you want, you can make a squishy and make a blind bag of it. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye!